I actually have a new series coming out. It's going to be a big surprise, a total change to my channel. It's coming out soon. Make sure that you subscribe so you can see it going. Okay guys, we're doing it again. This is going to be the good old mark the point, no strategy whatsoever. Just how do I come to the table? How do I play at a casino? Typically I'm a little aggressive. I do like to regress every now and then once I feel it's fit. But that's what we're going to do. Our last video turned out really well. But the reality is it doesn't always work out that way. So that's why I want to do another rollout. Again, the way I play, zero strategy whatsoever. What this is good old feeling, coming into the table, coming to the craps table. How would I do? I'm going to start off with $1,000. Basically have $1,000 sitting there ready to roll. I've already started. We're going to wait for the point to get established. I'm pretending as if I'm not the shooter, which means I'm not going to be playing any pass line or don't pass. This is going to be somebody else shooting the dice. They're going to pick 2 dice here, and we're going to get a point set. And here we go, guys. Let's get some live rolls. All right, it's going to be the hard 4. Let's mark the point on the 4. Here's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to start off with, I'm going to give you an idea, $60 on the 6 and 8, okay? $25 on the 5 and 9, and it'll be $25 on the 4 and 10, okay? I'm also going to be playing some hardways. So I'm going to play just the hard 8 and the hard 6 and hardways, and just kind of give you an idea. I said this on my last video, how I play my hardways is, if I basically base it off of what my place bets here. If I'm at $60, which means I have 2 reds, I always play 2 reds on my hardways. As I go up to 3 reds, I'll play 3 reds. Basically, I'm just using these numbers to feed my hardway play. Once I get up to a $100 level, I go to a quarter. So just kind of give you an idea. I'll also, I don't fully parlay like I used to, but I'll do like a half parlay, and then I'll go from there. Okay, there's a 10, 6, 4, 10. That's going to pay me $50. I'm not going to play the VIGs today, just for the content to make it go faster. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press up the 5 and 9 first, okay? And there's a 6, 5, 1, perfect. Okay, that's going to pay me 70, 50, or 60 pays me 70. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press up my 6 and 8. So I'm going to press these up twice, and I'm going to get one more hit, and that was an easy 6. I'm going to pull that back. I'm going to replace my hardway with, now I'm going to do it $15, okay? And we have a 3, craps 3. I'm going to look for, try to get, I hate to say one more hit, you know, sometimes that's bad to say that, and that's exactly why you don't say one more hit right there, guys. No good, no bueno. Essentially what we're starting off with is 220 across. It's a little bit different way of saying it. Some people say 220 inside, but because we're only going for quarters on the outside, that's why it's considered 220 across, okay? So here we go. It's gonna be a 5-2-7 this time. Let's watch the whole video. Let's see how we do if I end up making money. Last video I did really well. I hit a couple of the hardway plays, which is always a benefit, but that was most of the win. So in this case, I want to try to see how we do most of the win if we're just playing it and we don't hit a hardway and it just plays like I usually play, okay? So just kind of give you an idea of why I wanted to do it again. Let's put our hardways out here just in case they do hit, right? Because that is how I play. And we're gonna have a 3, craps 3. I'm not a field better. So as you see there, no field bets. And we're gonna go a hard 10 again, okay? Here we go. There's a 10, that's gonna pay me $50. I'm gonna press up my 5 and 9 first, okay? And there's the hard 4, perfect, another hit. Again, that's gonna pay me $50. I'm gonna press up the 6 and 8, always press up, I do a double press. I am gonna drop down, I gotta drop down for $10. So let's do 25. That way I can press these up here. And you know what? Let's go ahead and press these up since I'm at 3 reds here. Go to 3 reds there. Always got to backfill it. And there's a 5. Perfect. Okay, here we go. So that's going to pay me 50. It's going to pay me 70 at this point in time. I'm going to regress it back down. Okay. So I'm going to pull all this, go back to 160 across here. Okay. So all this is going to come back. So money coming back to our rack here. And then I did drop down here. So I'm just going to go back to $5 each on my hardway. And boom, there we go. All right, there's a 9, 5, 4, perfect. So from here, I'm just gonna go do a half press. I'm gonna collect a quarter, go to a $35 bet, okay? And there's another 9, 6, 3 this time, okay? 50, that's gonna pay me 50 for 1. I will go straight to 50 here. And I'm gonna collect the $35, put that back into the rack. just like that. And we had the 5-2-7. Okay, that's all right. We got out the hand. We got a couple extra hits there. Let's pull these bets back. And let's start it all over again. Let's turn the puck off. Let's do it again. This is my style of playing. Mark the point. When I walk up to the table, what do? That's a yo 11, no help. There's a 6, 4-2. Okay. Mark the point on the 6. Let's do it again, guys. Again, it's 220 when it's all said and done. And let's grab our Hardways. Of course, you do have your Hardway play as well here, so make sure those look like $10. And boom, we're ready to grab. Here we go. Come on, shooter. Golly, George. So that's a 0.7 out, okay? Never the best time for that. Big deal here, right? You lose all your money. That's your huge vulnerability. It's real. It happens. So far, we're already starting off worse than we started off on our last video, okay? So all this is a big loss. Again, started with 1,000. So far, we are down, okay? But let's see how we end up. It's going to be a 9-6-3. Let's see if they can manage the table to come back, right? So let's do this. There. Let's grab I'm going to have to grab another $100 here. Okay. Or not another, have to grab $100. And there. Let's grab, make sure those look like 60. And then 10 each on our Hardways. Boom, just like that. Straighten them up just a little bit. All right, don't forget, you will have to buy your 4 and 10. Again, I'm not doing that right now on the table. There's a hard 6, perfect. Okay, let me show you what that looks like. That 60 is going to pay me 70, okay? Again, I'm going to press up my 5 and 9, right? It's going to rack the rest of this here in the rack. Now that $90 is going to pay me, or sorry, that $10 is going to pay 9 to 1. It's going to pay me 90. So let me show you what that looks like again, how I do it. So it pays me 90. So let's put this together. I'm going to tell the dealer, make it look like 50, and then that's 25, and that's 25. So I'm going to tell them, make it look like 50, and I'll take 50. So put that $50 back into the rack, just like that, okay? And there's a yo 11, no help. So I'm looking for this right here to hit again. There's a 3-3. And 8-6-2, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna lose our Hardway, pull that back. But that 60 is gonna pay me 70, okay? I'm gonna press up my 6 and 8. Again, the first thing I try to do, you know, again, this is all feeling, you know, how I really kind of feel about it. And I'm gonna replace my Hardway back up for 15, okay? And there's a 5, perfect, 4-1, that was a 4-1, dadgummit. Let's go here, it was a 4-1, let's roll it back to where it was. Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. 50 will pay me 70, right? At this point in time, I'll regress down. So I'll pull these back. I'm gonna make these look like 30 each. And the rest of this money's coming back to my rack, okay? Again, 3 hits, I press, I regress, and then I can go a little bit more aggressive if I want to. Let's pull this one back down to $5. Let's leave our hit there, all right? Let's move these over just a little bit. All right, that's aces, no help. And we have a 5-2-7, so it's not really gonna help us out too much here, right? Let's pull these bets back. So we did regress, we did get out of the, also we got out the hand, but at least we regressed our bets enough. So let's go ahead and try that again. Let's do another shooter. It's gonna be an 8-5-3. Yeah, we're definitely down just a little bit. Let's pull these back out there. 8, mark a point there. Okay. Okay, got there. Here, let's grab some red chips. And then our Hardways, 2 each, or 10 each. And boom, ready to roll, just like that. All right, here we go. And there's a 9-6-3, all right. So 25 is going to pay me 35, all right. We haven't shown this yet, how this looks like. So basically I'm gonna press up my 5, and I'm gonna make my 9 look like 35, okay? The reason why I do the opposite, some people's like, why don't you make that go like 50? Because the 9 just hit, so I'm hoping that the 5 would hit next, or before the 9 again. So I try to press up the sister first when that happens. All right, and there's a 7, my goodness. Already, and this is definitely the way it can go sometimes. I'm definitely down in my counts as I'm throwing chips over because the chips are piling up. So let's do this. Let's set them there. Let's move these chips to the side. Let's cut these in half. because they're going to fall over too. Let's pull these back, turn the puck off. All right, this might be our last shooter. This might be all we have left. That's a 3 craps 3, no help. And a 5, 6, 1. Okay, mark the point on the 5. So basically what I can do here is I can go 225. I'm gonna give you 5 back and change. And let's go ahead and make it look like that here. So we got quarters on the outside, right? And you got 60 on a 6 and 8. Okay, just like that. Straighten them up just a little bit. And of course you got our Hardways. Nothing's here, nothing's really hit yet. It's been some pretty nasty rolls so far. 8, 5, 3, okay. Let's see if we can make something happen here. That is gonna pay me 70, 60 is gonna pay me 70. I'll lose my Hardway, right? I'm gonna press up my 5 and 9 first, replace the Hardway for $10, okay? Basically, I'm down to nothing. So if this one here doesn't do good, I'm kind of screwed, right? I do usually have more than $1,000 for the most space, and that's a 617, okay. All right, so here it is. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to, sometimes you do leave with nothing. Sometimes you leave with just walk away, and this is one of those videos where I probably should just walk away. But here's what I have. I have 150, I have $162. I'm not gonna worry about the VIG. I'm not worried really about the VIG. I'm gonna roll this one here out, okay? It's a 437. These dice have been awful. I'll tell you what, we should have probably done this a long time ago. Let's grab some other dice here, right? Okay, there's a 10, 6, 4. So here's what I'm gonna do. I have $160 here, right? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go all the way across, just like that, okay? I have 160, this is my last shooter, right? So I gotta make something happen, right? What are we gonna make happen on this last shooter? And there you go, boys. That's how you lose $1,000 in about 15 minutes, okay? Would I have more money? Probably have more money to go out 1 or 2 shooters, do 2 hits and down, but sometimes the dice work just like this. So my last video, I won 3,700 bucks. And this video, guys, again, this is sometimes how I play, okay? And I would say most of the time, I do something similar to this. Now, my wife is typically playing with me she's at the table playing, and she's usually playing the dark side, which means for the most part, we're half and half, right? Half dark side, half light side. But in this case, guys, we're walking away with 10, 15, $19, which means we are walked away with our tail between our legs and heading back out. But again, it all depends on how you like to play. I play a little bit more aggressive because I'm usually playing with a partner, with my wife, that is also playing the dark side. So when I'm losing money, she's getting paid, playing different don't sides, come bet sides, something like that. So typically we're working, playing against each other, which means she's winning money, I'm losing money. A lot of times for points, we don't always play just to win. So it all depends on how you want to play. Anyways, guys, it did not work out this way. This is, again, reality of craps. Sometimes it works out this way, sometimes it don't. Either way, I hope you've enjoyed the content. Again, you don't always win. Make sure you see that, right? Don't always win. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget that I actually have a new series coming out. It's gonna be a big surprise, a total change to my channel. It's coming out soon. Make sure that you subscribe so you can see it going. Till next time, mark the point, stay awesome.